Congratulations. Thanks for purchasing this course, Facebook Monetization Crash Course, created by Samuel Yorinde. Introduction to this training. Welcome to Facebook Monetization Crash Course. This training was created for people who are tired of posting on Facebook without results. People who see others earning from Facebook but do not understand how it really works. Facebook monetization is not luck, and it is not about going viral once. It is a system. When you understand that system and work with it, Facebook rewards you. In this crash course, you will not be taught shortcuts, tricks, or recycled theories. You will learn how Facebook actually decide who gets paid, what type of content qualifies monetization, and how to build pages that earn consistently. This course is practical. Every module is designed to move you from confusion to clarity, posting to purpose, and finally you start making money. So whether you are starting from zero, restarting after failure, or trying to fix a page that is not monetized, this training will guide you step by step. You do not need to show your face if you do not want to. You do not need thousands of followers before you start making money. What you need is understanding, consistency, and the right structure. By the end of this crash course, you will know how to choose the right niche, how to set up your page properly, what content Facebook actually pay for, okay, how to reach monetization requirements, and how to protect and grow your earnings long times. This is not a get rich quick program. It is a skill you can use again and again. So my people, so if you are ready to learn, implement, and stay consistent, you are in the right place. Let us begin. So what you will learn in this training, we will learn module 1, Facebook monetization foundation. Module 2, choosing a profitable niche that Facebook loves. Module 3, page setup for monetization approval. Module 4, content types that trigger monetization. Module 5, viral content strategy for fast growth. Faceless content creation system, reaching monetization requirement. Module 8, applying for monetization. Module 9, maximizing earnings from Facebook. Module 10, protecting your page from demonetization and monetization. Okay, scaling with multiple pages, extra income streams using Facebook pages, realistic earnings timeline, the table. So module 14, which is the last one, action plan and the next step. So I will give you some checklist at the end of the course in which you will know the next step. Not that you will now finish, you don't know next step to take. Immediately you are finished, you watch the tutorial, you will start your journey of your Facebook monetization. So bonus from the training, you will get AI content creation course, video editing course, in which will help you on how to edit videos to post on your pages. And I also give you access to CapCut Pro, okay, in which you can start using. So nothing stopping you from starting immediately. So about me, I'm a coach, digital marketer, Facebook creator, and YouTuber with years of experience. So if you want to contact me, this is my number showing on the screen. My name remains Samuel Yorinde. So module 1, Facebook monetization foundation. So see you in the next video. Thank you. God bless you.